How to download and install GB WhatsApp Pro. Go to your Chrome browser. Search for the website coldandroidwaves.com. Click on the menu icon and select Mods. Scroll down and select how to download and install GB WhatsApp Pro. Again, scroll down and click on Mirror Download button. Click on the two download buttons, and your download will start immediately. Go to your downloads to install the app. Allow to install from unknown sources. Click on Install to continue. That's all. Your GB WhatsApp has been installed successfully. Please subscribe and hit the bell button. Like, comment, and share. We meet in next video.